Welcome to Linux Help. In this today's session, we are going to see how to install Kajona CMS on Linux Mint 20.2. The Kajona Content Management System is a PH-based framework developed under the LGPL license and released as an open source project. It is necessary to use a relational database like MySQL, PostgreSQL, or SQLite. First, I'm going to check the OS version by using the following command. I'm using Linux Mint 20.2 version. Next, I'm going to configure the MySQL database. For that, I'm going to log into MySQL as a root user. Enter the password. First, I'm going to create database in the name of Kajona. Database created. After creating the database, now I'm going to create a new user and password. And hereby I'm giving the password. After creating the password and user, next I'm going to grant all privileges for Kajona DB and the user. Next I'm going to flush privileges. After finishing all the configuration, I'm going to exit. Now I'm going to download the Kajana CMS package by using the wget command. I'm going to open the browser. Here I'm going to type Kajana CMS download. Need to click on the first option. Right click on the download Kajana and copy link. Next I'm going to get into the terminal. Hereby I'm downloading the Kajana CMS package by using wget command. Paste the URL which we are copied in browser. After pasting, click enter. Now I'm going to list the file. Now I'm going to unzip the file. After the extraction, I'm going to list the file. Here we can see Kajona. Now I'm going to move the Kajona CMS package to the var/www directory /var location. After moving, I'm going to Change the ownership and permission by using the following command. Next I'm going to change the permission. After that I'm going to edit the configuration file in the site's available location. The name of Kajona dot configuration. Here I'm going to edit the virtual host. I'm giving server name as linuxhelp1.com. Next I'm going to give the document root. After completing the virtual host, I'm going to save and exit. Next I'm going to disable the default site by using the following command. Next I'm going to enable the Kajona configuration virtual host by using the following command. Next I'm going to enable the rewrite module by using the following command. After completing all the configuration, now I'm going to restart the Apache web server by using the following command. Restarted successfully. Next I'm going to open the web browser, open new tab. Here I'm going to give localhost. We can see the installation page of Kajona. Give next. Here we need to give the localhost database name as Kajona DB. Giving port number double zeros. Click on next. Here we can create an account. Giving abc@gmail.com. Click on start installation. It will make some time to finish the installation. This is the welcome page of Kajona. With this, the process of installing Kajona CMS on Linux Mint 20.2 has come to an end.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.